And it's Grace.
Grace and Grace.
Today, we're doing our skincare routine. And we're going to be showing you the products that we use.
This is a requested one.
We've never done a skincare routine before.
On this channel.
Ever. So,
No, we haven't. Why is that?
who knows? I just don't know if it's been something that we...
Dabbled in.
Yeah, because you're so focused on makeup, but actually skincare...
Is maybe more important?
I think it is, because it's what's under here is going to stay with you.
Yeah. We need to have a proper conversation.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so now we look like absolute cherubs, don't we? Okay, now we've done that, it's time to jump into skincare because that's what we're all here for today. Who's your moisturiser?
My moisturiser ran out, so I need to buy some more today from Charlotte Tilbury.
Right.
We're going to Chelmsford School.
Right. Okay. Right.
Right.
So where do you want to start?
Well, I normally like to start by taking off my makeup, but I didn't come around with any makeup on today, so I don't need to do that. But I just do this as a starting point because I don't like to rub all this around my face when I've got a full face of makeup on.
It just like rubs it all in.
Yeah, so I'll just do this to start with, get off most of it, but you actually don't realise until you use a very special product that we've got here today, that how much like makeup is always left on your skin. Like there's always like another face of makeup left in the little bits that you don't get with the
preach it, girl.
with the white.
Okay, the first, I couldn't bother to show you guys what I take off my makeup with because
Do we care? Little pads.
Yeah, it's just like what everyone else uses, micellar water, but this is the real
deal.
The real deal. It's Angels of Bare Skin. I feel like you guys have heard about this a lot from my second channel, but it's basically what I use. This is a fresh pot for you guys today, so you're welcome. You know, I got this like when we come back from college.
Yeah.
I like had 15 minutes to my train left. I ran up to Lush. Bear in mind Lush was out on the other floor.
They don't even have it.
No, they did, but I had to run up, run back. I literally just made the train. All because of this, so I hope you guys are thankful.
Have you not used it then?
No, it's my fresh pot. I haven't used it yet.
But you got that a little while ago, didn't you?
Yeah, but I still had like a bit of mine left.
Oh,
like, I can't go a day without it, so... but the real angel is this. It is the Foreo Luna Mini 3. We have talked about this before in... we don't know, but another video.
So Get Rid of Me.
These have become like part of our skincare routine.
Part of our lives.
I use this every night. I really should probably use it morning and night, but I only do my skincare routine at night, so this happens to me once a day. How often do you use yours?
I just do it whenever I feel like I need to. So like, say I wake up and I feel like I just want to have a nice fresh, because it gives you that like nice fresh sort
it like
of
cleanses your skin
feeling. If I want to wake up and just feel a bit, it wakes me up as well, I'd say.
Yeah,
because it just makes you feel really fresh, basically.
Oh well, let's tell you guys actually how it works.
Yeah.
So it has these little bristles, which you can like see there. Mine's a bit dirty because of my cleanser, but they're like not harsh at all. They're like really gentle little bristles.
And there's two little sides.
Oh yeah, one's like a bit harder, would you say?
Yeah, so you can exfoliate a bit more.
Yeah.
This time if you've got little areas that you think you need it.
It basically cleanses your skin, it gets rid of anything in your pores, which is really good. So if you feel like you've got like, I have really like bad clogged up pores around my nose.
Yeah,
so I use this like really intensely on my nose because it opens up your pores. And also it actually comes with an app, which we'll like put on the screen like a demo.
You can sort of like turn it up, turn it down, however long you want it. It tells you about it.
You can adjust the pressure, which is really good because I have really sensitive skin, so I don't have mine on a very high pressure, otherwise it would like inflame my face probably. So like you can depend it on your skin type. And yeah, it's really nice because you can do it for like how long you want. I think I have mine for like, I just have mine the like time it gives you. I don't really know how long.
I just do it for as long as I need to, and then if say I want to cleanse a bit more, I press the button again. That's
yeah, I do it again if I like need it because it actually feels really nice.
It's really fun. Like I could sit there for years and do it.
It's a really good Christmas gift. I know it is a little bit more on the expensive side,
but it would be such a good present. And I also feel like birthday as well.
Yeah,
I feel like everyone's birthday is this time of year just because ours is.
I know.
I see November as birthday. I see December as Christmas.
Yeah, well, and then October is Halloween.
Yeah,
but like
best 3 months. Best 3 months.
Best 3 months. The elite 3 months. It's true. Well,
it's our birthday month.
We're biased, but
because 2 weeks of this month is like our birthday because we like to drag it out for like a week.
Yeah, and we like because our birthdays are like the opposite ends of November,
so it's quite fun, isn't it?
It's fun because we have we basically claim the whole of November. Yeah. This is like the only time that it's not mentioned. It's like the middle of November because it's like.
Yeah, it's
irrelevant.
a bit in between.
And then like at the end and at the start we're like, But yeah, this is a really good gift for someone. You know, a little bit more expensive because it does give you like an at-home massage sort of vibe.
Yeah.
Like I feel like they would use these
spa.
at like spas because
Yeah.
it's really calming. And I like how you can like get different colours.
Pink, black. It said mine. I use Cleanser Polish by Lizelle. I've used it since I was like really young. I just think it's really good.
Because it's natural, it's like really hard, so I have to add water.
You've just got
H2O.
to rub it in. Just add water.
Because I'm no ordinary. Oh my god, I need my bath.
We've got mini bar. This is fun. My skin feels like I'm not very good recently, so this is really nice on it.
Get rid of my hair, man. Do one.
Yeah.
And I really focus on my nose because that is definitely like a bit of a problem area. I really just like focus on my problem areas. Like my forehead is a massive issue because that's where I get the most spotty.
I tell my problem area is my chin and then here, around my nose.
Oh, and then like it just goes off.
Sometimes I do my like skincare in the shower.
Oh,
just because then it gets it all off.
Yeah, but you got to use a flannel.
Yeah.
I bet you don't, do you?
No.
It's a different kind of
Just
breed.
wash
Okay, I'm feeling very much cleansed. I'm feeling very fresh.
Same.
Should we talk about what we would do next, or like, because you don't have your product?
So I would normally just put my moisturiser on and that'll be it for me. I find for me, less is more.
I would sometimes use a sheet mask because I can't do moisturiser, but yeah. We hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you did and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.